So we're here on the Pandemonium Trail in Victoria Park, and today I plan on, well, I will be continuing my cleanup that I started last year. Pandemonium Trail is kind of located on a landfill here, so right now is the perfect time to get the areas that I could not get last year because of the vegetation was so thick. You can see here what I mean by landfill. If you look closely at the ground, you'll see all kinds of barrels, pretty nasty car parts poking up here. So yeah, today that's the goal, is to get at least 3 bags, I think, of garbage. And yeah, if any more, that'd be great too. So I have my first bag filled already. Only about 10 minutes in and I already have my first bag, so I'm pretty happy with that. Whew. All right, so I got my second bag completed here. And as you've seen, I pulled up a few tarps, 2 of them to be exact. And yeah, I got rid of those guys. One was up here along the edge of the brook here. And I've been seeing that guy for years, so I'm happy to finally get rid of that guy. And there's another one, a big brown one that I pulled up from straight over here, as I'm sure you guys will see in the video, if it makes the cut. And yeah, I'm just watching some crows. I'm always on the lookout for hawks here, because there's always hawks, eagles, even vultures. I think they're called turkey vultures in the sky here these days. But yeah, but my whole purpose of this really, I mean, you might be looking at this video and you might be thinking, oh man, that's just that's a fruitless task, right? But really it's not. Especially if you could see it from my level here, you'd see that even though it is a landfill, it truly is a landfill, there is lots of good soil built up over it, under it even. It's not completely saturated with garbage here. And yeah, when you pull up these bags, what it allows it to do is nature will start to finally take root. All these plants you see here, saplings, grasses, lots of I think they're called coal's foot. They kind of look like a dandelion when they first come up. Lots of those guys underneath there, they were just waiting for the sunlight to hit them, and now they finally can. So sorry, my nose is stuffed up here, so I might be a little nasally, but yeah, they're finally going to take foot now. I feel so happy about that. That's one of my main reasons for doing this, is because I do want to see nature flourish, you know, like all these little thickets here along the edge of the bank. If I can get it to grow like that, if I can finally start to see new growth like that, I mean, that would make my heart just jump for joy. So yeah, figure I'd just reiterate my purpose here, and hopefully make whoever's watching this understand that, yeah, no matter what you do here, you pull up a bag, you're always going to help the ground underneath it to be more fertile. So that's my purpose. Whew. So I just rolled that wheel, as you guys see, up the hill, up many hills here. Might not be too obvious on the video, but yeah, there's many hills between where I'm at right now and where I found that tire. Man, that thing was heavy. It's filled with dirt, like inside the wheel. And as you can see, it has a real nice heavy duty metal frame on it. It's a tire. Yeah. Oh my god, that killed me. Oof. But it was worth it. So I collected 4 bags of trash today. That's 1 more than my goal, so I'm really happy there. And plus I got this this tire, which was a real pain in my behind to get that up all these hills. Man, that sucked. But it's done, it's there, and it's just waiting for Andy to come and pick it up. I got these tarps here as well. I got 2 tarps. I'm real happy to get that the brown tarp there. because that was laying in an area that was just all soil underneath it. Now that soil underneath can, you know, sprout some new growth, and I'm always happy with that. So yeah, that's it for today. That's my video, and I'm just gonna stick these tarps over the garbage bags here and head on my way. Take care, guys.